Evening all, Weremouse Workshop back again. Hope we're all okay. Straight into it again. Tonight, something a bit different. Well, it's all a bit different because I'm doing new stuff every night, you idiot. Spear & Jackson SS2800 2800. It's a, for those that aren't in the know, it's a shredder, a DIY garden shredder. So this was my neighbour's. I saw it outside his back door. Said, what are you doing with it? Are you trying to repair it? He says, no, I'm getting rid of it. He says, the motor works but the gearing's gone, so I'm going to scrap it out. I asked him if I could have it. He said, yep, sure, it's fine. So I scurried it away before he changed his mind, and off we go. It did have a couple of steel legs on it, but I've taken them off just to get it on my bench, and you don't want to see taking that stuff off. I have had a thought about the motor in this one, not to scrap it out, the actual unit itself, because I need, or I want, a grinder, something like this that I can feed small stuff into and chip up. It's for the gold recovery side of it, but anyway. So we'll see what condition it's in. It's been outside for a while, so without further ado, stop waffling, Steve, get on with it. Too much, but a bit, and a bit's better than nothing. Some white on it. So in here there's little dabs of silver on either one of them, and there. Try and get a bit of a closer look. I mean, it's a minute amount. Again, the light's crap in here, right on the end. There's a little dab of silver, so I keep them because they all add up. I've got about 3 ounces so far. Well, that's what I weigh in because of recovery. And then you've got them at the bottom there as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. They use silver. If people don't know, they use silver for it's an excellent electrical conductor. I do like these switches. It's a shame to get rid of them. So you'll find little silver contacts probably in there as well. I won't open it yet. We'll get into the main body of it because you don't want to see me faffing about with little bits. Generally, in all switches, like for this kind of thing, and even smaller stuff as well, they don't just confine it to that. They have a little dab of silver on them, and I mean a dab. You'll think some of the items are like, you'll think it's a big blob of it, but they actually sit it on copper. But like I say, they keep collecting it, and it soon adds up. Why is this being a pain in the ass? So again, let's get this off here. That's the, can't remember which switch I took off now. That's obviously on off, and then there's a cut out one. So under them you'll have the same thing. On to the next bit. So that's a big lump of plastic, good for recycling. Now the motor. Let's get into the motor. Steel screws. Ooh. That's why. So we've got a bit of steel in the middle. Which, oh, brilliant! That's chewed up. Somebody's had a good go at that. Leave that on, we'll get it off later, might have to shatter that, but that's alley, cast alley. Decent bit of weight in there actually. It's all for bloody hell. Be chuffing Nora. Have you felt the weight of that? Now, that I am going to keep. Definitely. Because you don't get many of them. Oof, what a big piece. Alright, got you. Alright. La 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 la. La 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 la. A little bit of not shoved in there. We've got steel in there. It's acting like a bearing. Not one. So we'll punch that out. Another bit of decent cast. Oh, I see what he means. The gearing's gone. Right. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? See all round here, where all this grease is bunched up. In that grease. There, that's one of the teeth off the gearing. That's what he was meaning. Right, interesting. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Sheared it all off there. Right. So she's knackered. So from that point onwards, she is knackered. Right. Anyway, that's I know he's my neighbour stripped it down to look at it, but to be honest, there's not a great deal of stuff to take apart on it. I thought it would be a bit more complex than this. Nice. I've just said it, haven't I? Can't get that off. There we go. Calm yourself, calm yourself. I can hear you all shouting, it's copper! Ooh. free dust. Enough dust of my own. Bit of foam. Sound deadening possibly. Right, is this going to be... Oh. Oh, what a surprise. Steve's magically clean desk. He lost a bit. Still. Presume that just knocks off there. Answers in the comments. Or am I missing something? That's the try. Oops. Correct that with an hammer. Yes, as you've gathered, I'm not going to salvage this motor. I'm going to, what I have done, destroyed it. Bit of brass in there, bit of cable, bit of brass. That's where the bushes would have been. That's not good. Spear and jacks in. Have I got a file? No, but I've got some sandpaper. Oh, bust. It's aluminum. God damn it. Oh well. I've been looking at this, it's been sat outside my house. That's copper for 2 weeks. And I've been thinking I'll get onto it, but it's really heavy that. There's a good motor in there. And it's, oh damn you Spear Jackson. Damn you to hell. So now then, how does that come off? Does that just thump? Yes. Then what? Does that pop off there? I presume so. Need a big screwdriver. Nope, movement. Nope, no movement. Oh, that's a meaty piece of metal. Steel, but it's metal. Yeah, there's bits of these teeth everywhere now. What a shame. Good man. Ooh, I don't know if that's cracked as well there. And that. She's had a right. Doing a right thumb. Righter. No, I've literally got no idea what I'm doing now. No, it's cracked on the case as well. Smushy, smushy. All of them. More cogs. Tell you what, I'm glad I'm wearing gloves. It's really sticky. What's it? Or plastic. Make some out of that, can't you? Little fidget spinners. No. Right, and then we've got some more. Let me just check that. Yeah. Nice bearing in the middle. Bearing in there. Try and punch that out. And then we've got a cog around there. But again, bit of cast alley. So just give it a hit on the floor, hang on. Well, that did nothing apart from hurt my ears. So we'll pop that out another day, but there we go. Basically, we've definitely got copper on this. And the armature. Yeah, she's copper. So, take that to pieces. Later, I've got a bucket of armatures. Take it to pieces, get the plastic off now. But as for the main motor, with these copper coated aluminum. Well, there's some highs and some lows in that one, wasn't it? Bit of a roller coaster. I need to sit down after that. I'm going to bed after this. It's 10 o'clock. Anyway, get off. UK Scrapper did a vid on how to get the copper out of this. Well, please leave a message in comments if you have a way of doing it. Otherwise, I'll just look at the video again. Right, anyway, enough of the nonsense. Plastic away. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm really disappointed, but never mind. It's how it goes, isn't it? So it goes. Bit of brass, bit of cable, nice bit of copper, bits of silver, bit of a winner. Right guys, see you, bye.